Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to talk about lines of symmetry. And a line of symmetry is when you can take an object, cut it in two, and on the other side of the object, when you cut it in two, it will be a mirror image of the initial or the first object. So we'll do it with the circle. So if I take this circle, and I put a line down the middle, which is called a line of symmetry. And if I fold that over, both of those would be exactly the same. So this here would be the line of symmetry for the circle. Now, we'll look at the second one here. This is a house. So let's look and see. If I took this house and I drew a line from here across this way, would that be a line of symmetry? No, that's right, it wouldn't be. Because it is not a mirror image of the first one. So what I'd have to do with this one is, in order to get a mirror image, I would have to take the house and I'd have to cut that house right down the very middle. So I've got this side. If I fold it over, it's the mirror image of this side. So both of them are exactly the same. It's like looking in the mirror and you're seeing the other side of it. Next one, which is a rectangle. With a rectangle, we can have a line of symmetry that goes down through the middle of the rectangle. And we also can have a line of symmetry that goes the other way through the rectangle. So this would have one line of symmetry, and you could fold it this way, and it would have a second line of symmetry that you could fold this way. Now, if I put it like this across, would that be a line of symmetry? No. The reason being is because if you fold this over, it's going to end up down here. It's going to be in the wrong place. It's not a mirror image. This side is a mirror image of this side. The top is a mirror image of the bottom. Now, we'll look at this triangle here. Can I take this and cut it across here? No, because this triangle, if I put it there, look how long that triangle would go way down to here. And this one would be a short and kind of fatter one down in the bottom. So the only way I can cut this triangle is to go from the top straight down through the middle to the bottom. And that there is the line of symmetry for the triangle. Now if I fold this one over, it would be the mirror image. Now I'm going to look at this triangle. Now this one here, if you look at this one, it's got two sides that are the same length. This one doesn't have any sides that are the same length. So if I try to do it this way, it doesn't work. If I try to do it this way, it doesn't work. If I try to do it this way, it won't work because there never is a line of symmetry to make a mirror image. So, guess what, boys and girls? There are 0 lines of symmetry for this triangle. But now we'll look at a square. A square has many lines of symmetry. We can have one through the middle this way. If fold this way, it's going to be equal. It's going to be a mirror image. I can go across the middle this way. And that would make a mirror image top to bottom. I could go across this way. Then if I folded this down, it'd be the mirror image of the top. And I could go also this way, which would fold this way across. So if I look at this one here, I start here, I've got one line of symmetry, two lines of symmetry, three lines of symmetry, and one across here for four lines of symmetry. And we have to remember, symmetry is when you take an object and you cut it in two and you make a mirror image of the initial item. And that's all I have to say for now, boys and girls. Bye for now.